Good morning, Wave fam from Angra in Brazil.
You're supposed to say bom dia.
Okay. Bom dia, Wave fam from Angra in Brazil.
I'm Ashley, this is Josh. Welcome to our channel.
We sold everything we had to travel the world, and now we want to share with you the way away.
So be sure to subscribe down below, just like, and hit that bell so you can follow more of our adventures.
Let's go. Today, as I mentioned, we are in fact in Angra, Brazil. Yesterday's video, I told you that it is a popular destination for snowbirds from North America. It is, in fact, it is a beautiful sunny day. I'd say it's about 75 or 80 degrees, and it is 9 a.m.
Yeah, it's an early morning for us, but it seems that this time of year the clouds roll in the afternoon, so This is going to be our best time to get a lot of sunshine while out on a boat. We are actually in the city center right now. Behind us is the tourism office.
It's like a dock office type thing.
Yeah, it's really cool, and it gets so busy because it's the main dock where you can take boats all over the place, like to all different islands, all different places. Yesterday we did island hopping and we landed on Ilha Grande, the large island. And today we're doing something similar. We're going to the main island, the big island, and we're going to explore the island and relax and enjoy our last day here in Angra. We're taking a small boat today. I think a ribbed boat is what he called it. So it's gonna be a different experience from yesterday. Yeah, like a little speedboat. Yeah. All right, let's give it a shot. We've landed on Ilha Grande. We're at a little town or outpost called Abraham in Portuguese. Already we're learning some facts about Ilha Grande. A little guy right there is the highest point on the entire island. It doesn't look like it because there's, you know, this big thing in the foreground, but that's the highest point. Don't worry, we're not going there today. That's way too much of a hike. We're hopping on a little boat now with a group. We got our wristbands and we're gonna go snorkeling. We're gonna check out some beaches. We're just gonna enjoy Ilha Grande as you would on a vacation down here. Like I said, it's a great place to come, especially during the winter. It is plenty warm out, but not too hot. In fact, this might be the best time to come. We're starting this tour at the Green Lagoon, and I was told by the lady that there might be turtles here. The boat actually has goggles. I'm gonna look down for turtles, and then I'm gonna come up and breathe. Basically like a turtle would. Exactly. My turtle hunt was a fail, although I did see a lot of fish. I saw blackfish. I saw some little fish that were so cool on the bottom of the ground, like just moving the sand. I tried to get GoPro shots, but it's so wide that sometimes I just can't get close, especially if I'm floating on the top and I'm not the best diver. So it was great, it was awesome. And having the goggles and the snorkel stuff, like, makes it so much better. I'm a water baby. I could be out there all day, but decided to come back in because they might leave me. When it comes to boat trips, Josh and I are very different. I'm in the water. I'm in the sun. Josh is a little turtle in the sun. I'm a dolphin, Josh is a turtle, I think. You're a swimming turtle, I'm a swimming turtle. I'm a sea turtle. Land turtle. Yeah, this is very true. So when we go on vacations, normally like I'm the one out there swimming. Josh will come with me if I beg him. Yeah, I'll get hot, then I'll get wet, then I'll dry off. Yeah, but
She stays wet the whole time.
He's living his best life right now by suntanning, and I'm living my best life by going sea turtle hunting or just finding fish, because that's really all I found.
Something for everybody on this boat.
It's true. But Josh has been loving, do you like the larger boat or the...
I definitely like the more intimate boats.
Yeah.
It just feels nicer. It feels less of like a tourist thing.
Yeah. Although we have like 5 boats with us, so we're like a gang of speedboats.
Which is also cool in its own way.
We all just rock up and then I'll jump out.
Yo, this is our lagoon.
Yeah, back off.
But the sunscreen that I got, it's not the best quality. So if you have a favorite, make sure to bring that with you. We got this at the drugstore for like $5. I mean, I'm sure it works, but it looks horrible.
From one boat to the other, they're gonna take us from our boat to lunch, which is on the shore. This inlet is so pretty. It's like literally jungle everywhere.
Well, there's mangroves here.
All around us, yeah. It's so pretty.
We've got something called babao de camarão. This dish looks a little bit differently this time.
Yeah, it makes everything up.
So this is more like a home dish style, not fancy, not too upscale, but I'm sure it's delicious.
At our last stop of the day. It's a little beach and we're gonna relax and enjoy, but I did want to let you know that this island, the big island, there's no roads on it, so the only way to get around is to hike and take a boat like this to the different places. So all the people that are usually on the beach, most part have got here by boats, which is awesome, pretty cool. Cool that we could see all these little places and they're not overrun by tourists because they don't have roads and stuff to get to them. On to the beach, we're just gonna relax our last little bit.
That was an awesome, fun day on Ilha Grande. There we go. I think I finally have my Portuguese down.
The sun is setting and we are going to head back to our hotel, pack up, and tomorrow we are headed to a brand new location.
It is a completely different side of Brazil that we've never seen, we've never showed, we've never even heard of it until we started doing
Amazon,
research.
it's like the place that I've been really wanting to go.
And this is one place that when we mention it, all the Brazilians are like, oh good, you're going there?
Ilha Grande is beautiful.
Oh, not Ilha Grande.
No, the place that we're going.
Yeah, there you go.
You guys are gonna love it.
Okay, so we're gonna keep that one a secret until the next video, so you have to wait and watch, okay?
Thank you so much to Angra Tourism Board and Rafael, who has showed us all around. We have had such a good time. It's just beautiful here, guys. If you've never heard of it, definitely look it up online and click the link below to see what they have to offer. See you later.
Boa noite.
Ciao, ciao.
There you go.
Always make you smile, always make you smile.